This message goes out to anyone who's extremely strong and they've not been posting fitness content. Now my message to you is, you might as well be honest. Like, why not? What's the worst that's gonna happen? Don't be getting glazed in the gym all the time when you're lifting heavy for no reason. People don't be calling you a beast for nothing. People don't be saying, oh, you're so strong for no reason. They're not respecting your weights for no reason. You put in a lot of work to be where you are. And even if you didn't put in work, and you just happen to be one of the favourites with crazy strength, look at the gift you were blessed with. Look at what you've been blessed with. Make the most of it, post it online. Why not? What's the worst that's gonna happen? And I'll be real, there's nothing at all embarrassing about being hench. Like, you're way too hench to be embarrassed about posting about your muscles online. Like, no one's really gonna say anything. And if anything, people who are saying anything is out of envy. They wish they had the strength that you had. And the strength that you have is a gift, so I believe you should post it online.